Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17.
Christmas is all about.
It is the first full day here at home in New Jersey, and it's a Friday, so gotta get some work done today before we can start relaxing for the weekend, which I'm really looking forward to. Actually, tomorrow's gonna be a rainy day here, so we're just really planning on chilling at home all day, which will be so good. And then on Sunday I have some plans with my friend Kelly, so should be like a perfect mix of relaxing weekend and fun weekend, which is always ideal. It's about 10:30 here. I just woke up like maybe 20 minutes ago, and we're gonna hop right into some work because I have to finish editing a Vlogmas for you guys, so gonna go work on that. But before we do, I thought that we could maybe do a little bit of skincare just to sort of treat ourselves after traveling yesterday and, you know, give our skin a little boost. All right, let's get a little skincare done this morning. Just really treat ourselves. After being on the plane yesterday, I feel like it just is so nice to do like a proper skincare routine, like full routine after a travel day. And I'm actually very happy to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by C&P Laboratory. And today I'm going to be talking to you about two of their products that I have just been loving lately. They're such good treat yourself, treat your skin right products. So the first product here is from C&P Laboratories, and it is their Minimizing and Soothing Pore Tightening Mask. This is a two-step system that helps to clear up blackheads. And this formula is awesome because it uses natural ingredients. It also features witch hazel extract, which helps to clear up blackheads while tightening up your pores to help your just general appearance of your skin look better, which honestly I need. My pores and my nose have been a little out of control lately. And then the other product here is the Propolis Energy Ample Serum. But let's start with this two-step system here. So it's really cute. The box like opens up like this, and you have step 1 and step 2 right inside. So obviously we're gonna start with step 1. So we're going to put this on our nose 10 to 15 minutes, and it's going to help to clear up blackheads. It can even help with whiteheads. And it's just gonna absorb all of the dirt and oil that's stuck in my skin. So very excited for that. Again, after travel, like you just need it. We're just gonna pull this little baby out. Go ahead and put it on. Oh yeah, looking good. It smells so minty. It's really, really nice. Yeah, as I said, this is going to actually work to clear out the blackheads, and then step 2 is going to be about tightening up the pores. So I'm gonna leave this for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will check in with you guys when I'm taking it off. 15 minutes later, we are back, and we are going to remove this mask here. And then you just need to take a little cotton ball and just sort of swipe upwards. And it's gonna help to just clear out all of your pores. And if you press down gently, it like just helps a little, but very gentle. Okay, so on to step 2, which is our pore tightening mask. So I'm just gonna throw this on, and we need to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes, and this is what's going to just tighten everything up and make it look its best. So again, I will be back with you in 5 to 10. And it's me again. Been about 10 minutes, so we're going to remove this mask. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Oh my gosh, my nose. Okay, so I want to make sure all that serum gets in there, so I'm just gonna sort of pat her in. Love that. That is complete. Now let's talk about this amazing serum. So again, this is the Propolis Energy Ample, and if you don't know what propolis is, it's actually an extract that comes from bees. That just really gives your skin the most amazing glow. It also has an anti-irritant in it, so that'll help to calm anything going on your face, and overall just soothes your skin in the most lovely way. So we're going to apply this right now. It comes with a little dropper, and I just like to sort of apply directly to my face like so, and then start working it in. My skin drinks it up immediately, which if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that that's one of the things that I look for in my skincare, for my skin to just like soak it right in. To me, that just means that my skin is so happy with what's going into it. And I've just been using this stuff non-stop. It helps your skin look so much less tired, which obviously is great after a long travel day. Just brings so much glow and life back into my face. It makes me so happy. So I'm gonna have more information about these products down below for you to check out. They are both available on Amazon, so definitely have a look at the links in the description down below. And another thank you to CNP Laboratory for sponsoring this video. Perfect way to start off my morning. And now I think we're just gonna head out, make ourselves a chai, and start off our workday. Maybe at home, but we still got the same chai tea pods. Let's make a little morning drink. Good morning, Loki Cat. Good morning. You in a sunny spot with a comfy blankie? Huh? You so spoiled here in this house? Huh? You're looking so pretty today. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl, Dindy. I'm gonna scare Connor on our Ring camera. I just saw him go out to take the trash out. What up, bitch?
Hey, baby.
Connor was clearly not scared at all, so sort of mission failed, but oh, he just left for the airport, which means poor Molly Cat is all by herself now. I'm so sad about this. Obviously, she has her cat sitter coming by, but it like just breaks my heart. Breaks my heart. I can't deal. My poor little kitty cat. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whew, that is bright. Oh, another one. Stuck right between them. It is 1:54 p.m. We're gonna make some lunch now. Had a nice productive start to the day. Got through a lot of my to-do list. So basically the plan is make some lunch, eat it. I have a call at 3, so in about an hour. So we'll take care of that call. And then after that, we are going to run out to Walgreens and just pick up a couple of things that I need. It's a couple of hair products that I couldn't bring back with me because I didn't check a bag and the size of the product wasn't right. So I figured, whatever, it's good to just buy the stuff that I need to keep here anyway. That way I don't need to worry about it every time I come home. And I have no idea what I'm gonna make for lunch because I have to sort of see what my parents have in their pantry. So let's have a look, I guess. We have leftover pizza from last night that I could have, although I don't really want that, to be honest. Soup, we have some soup. What if I made like grilled cheese and tomato soup? That could be yummy. Do we have bread? I'm sure we do. I feel like they usually leave their bread like out on the counter and I'm not seeing anything, so maybe no bread. All right, I'm very uninspired, so let me go and figure this out. Whoa, sorry, it's so bright. Found the bread, you guys. It was just in the fridge. Where is it? Here we go. So there we go. Just like a perfect little size one here for a grilled cheese. So we're gonna do that and the tomato soup because I feel like that's nice and easy. Alrighty, let's get this lunch rolling. So have my tomato soup. Just going to plop that in there. Triple cheddar sounds delicious. How's the soup coming? Whoa, drama. Well, I burnt the bottom of my sandwich pretty badly, so that's not great. How did that happen so quickly? Okay, grilled cheese, slightly burnt bottom. Yeah, just slightly, right? Just slightly. And tomato soup, which will probably be the star of the show considering that the sandwich was not my best work. Lunch was delicious, had that, then I did my call, which was really good, it was quick, so now we are going to head out to Walgreens, which is right across the street, so typically I would just walk, but I am going to drive only because we have my grandfather's car here. We haven't run it in a while, so I just want to, you know, take it for a little drive around the block and, you know, give its battery a little bit of charge. And it's actually really nice. That's actually the car that Connor and I are going to have. We're going to ship it out to Los Angeles. My grandfather very kindly offered to give us his car because he doesn't use it anymore, which is really, really great. So anyway, I've driven his car plenty of times before, but it will be nice to get back in it. So there you go. Also, you guys, we have to chat because I officially finished watching Love Island Season 5. So many twists and turns. Oh my gosh, that last, I don't want to give away any spoilers in case you've never seen it, but the very last big breakup that happens before the end of the season, like, blew my mind. I absolutely was losing it, like texting Caitlin, because Kate's the one who convinced me to start watching Love Island UK, and so I've been like texting her the whole time that I've been watching, just freaking out over stuff. So absolutely lost it at that. And then yeah, the ending was like, yeah, it was very dramatic. I did not know what was going to happen, and it did not necessarily go the way that I expected it to. So overall, really happy with that. Also, I feel like there's so many things that I haven't spoken to you guys about, but also obviously Connor and I, on our last night together Wednesday, we watched the finale of Survivor. Would love to hear your thoughts on that down in the comments if you watch. Overall, happy with the winner. It wasn't who I was rooting for the whole season, but still pleased, still a good ending, so can't complain. It was another great season, lots of twists and turns, which I'm always into. I was reading recently that like Survivor fans, I know it's such a generalization, but that they want like less twists and less like advantages and stuff like that, but like not me. The more twists the better. Like, let's keep them coming. Keeps it really interesting. So yeah, loved that. Very excited for the next season. It's gonna be great. So yeah, wrapping up a lot of shows right now. Next up on my reality list, I need to finish the new season of Selling Sunset. I'm only a couple episodes away from finishing that. It's been okay this season. I haven't been as into it as I have been in the past. Probably gonna check out Selling Atlanta as well, because that just came out. Love Island UK Season 6, because that's the other one that Caitlin has seen and is like, you need to watch it. So that's gonna happen, and that's just off the top of my head. Obviously there's always more reality to see. Too much reality TV, honestly, but I just love it. It's such a nice like release for me to like watch just stupid television. I don't know why, but I'm very into it. It's not good. I know reality TV is like killing our society, so I hate to be a part of it, but you know, what can I say? If you can't beat them, join them. All right, here we are in my new car. New to me, at least. Honda Civic, you know, just a simple little guy, but gets the job done, that is for sure. And it started, which my mom was not sure if it would, because we hadn't driven it in a while, so that is good also. We're gonna have to come up with a cute name for the car too. I haven't owned a car in a while, so I haven't had to name a car in a while. My last car was Michael, after Michael Scott. Yeah, so we'll have to think about what this name is. I guess I'll probably have to have Connor have a say in that as well, I suppose. But oh, there's seat heaters in here. Hell yeah. Into Walgreens we go. Okay, we're looking at hair products right now. Let's see. So they have Miss Jessie's here, which is pretty cool, and I've been wanting to try Pillow Soft curls, so I'm sort of thinking I'm gonna get this for a curl cream. Now I just need to find a gel that I want, like a soft one, hopefully. Nothing's standing out at me, so we'll have to see what we can find here. I'm gonna try this Garnier product. It's probably not like the best ever, but it's specifically for curls, clearly, and it'll be fine. It's totally okay, so let's give it a go. We got the goods, and look at how pretty the sky looks, by the way. So pretty, eh? I really like it. You know what, guys? I'm just enjoying my time in my cute new car, I have to say. So I thought maybe we'll do a car haul instead of a indoor haul. I don't know why. But, you know, I was thinking when I was driving back here from Walgreens that you guys should actually help us name it too. Obviously, I'll talk to Connor too, and I think it would be funny if we came up with something that's like sort of a funny joke between the two of us, or I don't know. Who cares about what the name of the car is, but I just think it's sort of fun. So if you guys have any suggestions about what we should name our car, whether it's something that like you know about Connor and I, or just like a cute name for a little Honda Civic, let me know what you think. So let's do a haul. We have the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft curls. Not Pillow Talk, Pillow Soft. So this is the curl cream we're gonna be testing out, washing my hair tomorrow. So yeah, I will keep you guys in the loop about this. Also need a chapstick just because didn't pack one to bring home with me, so I just picked up this Nivea one. Also has sunscreen in it, which is really nice, so rolling with that. Then we got the Curl Crunch Garnier gel. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure it's gonna be totally fine, and it was like less than $5, so honestly, if it's good, then I might keep using it. We'll see what happens. Another little random buy was a new beauty blender sponge, because I have not used a beauty blender for quite a while, to the point where I don't even have them anymore. I think probably my last one slash all of them that I've had have been stolen by Molly Cat. She often takes these and thinks that they're her toy, so I have to like hide them from her. But yeah, on top of that, I don't wear foundation very often, but we're gonna, you know, give this a go again, because I'm sure I'm gonna like fall back in love with it. And then the very last thing I got is just a new lip liner. This color actually looks so different in natural light than it did inside of Walgreens, so we'll see how this goes, but just thought it'd be fun to try a new color. It's actually pretty close to my natural color, just a little bit more like pinkish reddy, so yeah. Anyway, there you go. That's the haul. Okay, end of the workday, and that means it's time for a fresh bottle from the advent calendar. Day 17. What's she today? Ooh, a nice red.
Good Trouble Syrah.
A Syrah.
Good Trouble. And they're walking over the Pettis Bridge.
Oh, cool. Oh, so pretty.
Isn't that cool?
I love that. You guys should keep this one.
Yeah, right?
That's a cool one. Food just got here, and so time for a food haul. We ordered in some Chinese. We got lots of goodies. So,
I don't know what BK is.
me neither. Yes, Ginge? What?
It's very upsetting.
Oh, just brown rice. I guess maybe that's supposed to be an R.
This is
Shrimp shumai. I love shumai so much. These are egg rolls.
Shrimp rolls.
Shrimp rolls. Wonton soup. Tons of it. It'll be so good. Edamame.
It looks like chicken. I don't know. What'd you get, Matt?
Oh yeah, I think this is, he got sesame chicken. But I think this is the chicken and broccoli.
I don't know. Look at this one.
Oh no, that's definitely chicken broccoli.
Yeah,
Okay, this is the sesame chicken. And you can't really see it, but it's in there. And then chicken and broccoli here.
And our wine.
Yes, I have to show you guys this wine. We got some, oh well, I already showed them the bottle.
Oh, okay. Good Trouble wine.
Yes, which we're loving here. Have some like crispy, what are these called? Crispy
Noodles.
Yeah, you know.
And lots of sauce.
Fortune cookies.
Let's go.
You guys know the deal. So, should we try our Good Trouble wine? Cheers!
Cheers.
You see someone commented on your shirt?
No.
Sorry, here's to Good Trouble.
Here's to Good Trouble.
Here's to Good Trouble.
Yummy. Good
I
Trouble.
do like a Syrah.
Anybody want a plate?
Yes, please. Let's eat. I'm hungry. This all looks so delish. Very excited, and we're watching Project Runway. Got a little Ginge here for a cuddle. And we're watching the first episode of Coming Out Colton. Very intrigued to watch this. Well, it is 12 a.m. here, but honestly I'm not that tired. I would have probably just stayed up watching more TV or just, you know, scrolling on TikTok or something, but instead I'm going to be responsible and get some editing done. I want to get through this vlog that you're watching today. That way there's less work to do tomorrow, even though obviously we are taking the pressure off while we're home. As I'm filming this today, there won't be an upload tomorrow, so it's not a huge rush, but I do just sort of want to get it done and out of the way and good to go. But I did just sort of want to pop in and end the vlog. Just say, you guys, my skin still feels amazing from that skincare this morning. My nose, like, it's just so smooth. There's just like no texture there. It's absolutely amazing. So always love a little pamper yourself moment. It's so good. And with that, we shall end this vlog. I don't know what is next up for the YouTube channel, so we're gonna see what happens, but thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.
So